Hello everyone, welcome to all. Today we will discuss about the payback period of solar PV system. So let us discuss one by one. Suppose we are installing 1 kilowatt solar system and the price of the solar system is 50,000 rupees. Let us take as an example, and from 1 kilowatt system we are getting 5 units of electricity per day. Okay, so it means in 1 kilowatt system we are getting 5 units per day. In 10 days we will get 50 units, and in 1 month we will save 150 units of energy by installing 1 kilowatt system. Okay, now let us take an example. The cost of electricity at residential is 6 rupees per unit. So how much amount we will save in a particular let us take a calculate for a 1 year case. So total days in a year is 365 days, but for the calculation for the losses we are taking only 300 days. So we will multiply 300 days into 5 units into 6 rupees. It means we can save up to 9,000 rupees per year by installing 1 kilowatt of system. Okay, so this is for the residential case. In the commercial case, what will happen? The price of the electricity will rise. Actually it is almost double, 10 to 12 rupees. So let us take an example. The price at the commercial is 12 rupees. Then how much you will save? You will save in a particular year from 1 kilowatt of about 18,000 rupees. It means that at residential you can save 9,000 rupees per year from 1 kilowatt system, and at commercial section you can save 18,000 rupees per year from 1 kilowatt system. Okay, so now how much the subsidies we are getting? We are getting a subsidy of around 60% from the state government and the central government. It means the system, if the system is 50,000 rupees, then we have to pay only 20,000 rupees per kilowatt. So it means the payback period will be around 2.1 years. Okay, if we talk about the payback period, then the payback period at the residential will be around 5.5 years. Okay, it means after 5.5 years all the money you have invested you will get back, and after it all the electricity will be free. But after getting the subsidy of around 60,000 rupees, 60%, so the payback period definitely will be 2.11 years, almost 2 years. So within 2 years you will get all your money back. So it is a very good area to invest. So it is the after subsidy on the residential sector. If we talk about the commercial sector, then you will get the money in 2.9 years, almost 3 years. So within 3 years you will get all your money back if you are using in it residential sector. So 3 years is not so and actually in residential commercial sector, if you are using high or large scale solar, or if you are installing in large kilowatts, then the price will reduce drastically. So let us take an example. The minimum price is 32,000 rupees. Then you can get your money payback within 1.8 years, almost 1.5 years. So it is also very profitable. And if we use the advanced technology in commercial section, so we can get our payback within 1.5 years or less than that. So it is a very good example in terms of payback. If we are using residentially, so residentially the payback is 4 to 5 years, and after the subsidy it is around 2 to 2.5 years. And in the commercial sector the payback period is around 3 years, less than 3 years. But if we use the high technology and at a margin, we can get it around 1.5 years. So the payback period for the commercial sector is nearly around 1.5 years, which is very profitable.